Welcome to Diagenics, the premier provider for telenutrition, weight management, and nutrition consulting. The huazontle is an ancient plant from Mexico. It is considered a delicacy. The huazontle is very nutritious and can be prepared in many different ways. In an egg batter, and then fried in tomato sauce, mole, and much more. In this segment, we are going to show you how to make a huazontle pie. So we skip the frying. So you can serve the pie with mole or any other sauce, depending on your taste. We really hope you enjoy it. Thank you.